In this CC2 problem, we have a real-life application. In a research experiment, a population of fruit flies is increasing at an exponential rate. When the experiment begins, there are 100 flies, and after 2 days, there are 300 flies. Write an exponential equation that models the population of the fruit flies, and then how many fruit flies will there be after 5 days. So remember, an exponential equation is in the form y equals a times b to the x. A is always your initial value when your time equals 0. So we know in this instance, the initial amount of flies is 100. So we know A equals 100. So y equals 100 times b to the x. So now I need to figure out what b is. Well, y is going to be the number of fruit flies. X is the number of days. So they said after 2 days, there are 300 flies. So there are 300 flies after 2 days. So now I will solve for b. I'm going to divide by 100. 3 equals b squared. Take the square root. b is the square root of 3. So my equation to represent the number of flies after any day is 100 times square root 3 to the x. 100 initial flies multiplied by the square root of 3 each day. So for part B, they're asking us to find how many flies there will be after 5 days. Well, that's going to be 100 times square root 3 to the 5th power. 100 times square root 3 to the 5th power. There's going to be approximately 1,558 fruit flies after 5 days. So remember, when we're answering real life problems, applications, your answer should be in a complete sentence.